If you voted for the New Balance pack for the 2022 sneaker resale pickup for myself, you know what? I owe you an amazing thank you because these are gorgeous in hand. Back again, and the model of the year for 2022, at least for myself, the New Balance 9060. It has such a dynamic upper with an aggressive midsole and lots of cushioning. The upper of the sneaker has a trifecta of leather, suede, and mesh. You will have a variation of different shades of tan as well all throughout the upper, but you also have pops of 3M and silver throughout the shoe with a darker gray sock liner. NB embroidered on the heel, but also near the toe. Now you have a lot of different things going on with the midsole itself. That on the back, a translucent CR device. If you actually look at the midsole itself, it plays off of some of the newer tech we've seen in the 2000s, but it pays a lot of homage to New Balance's own 990 models. On the tongue itself, they even pay respect to the 991 lace jewel. I love this brilliant pop of jade present. Again, if you would like to also lace swap, hey, I've seen somebody do that as well. But let's also go to the lateral and medial side. The ends are mismatched. They're not the same. It's stitched white on the medial side, so on the interior, but on the exterior, it's totally different. And instead, we have 3M on the end. The noticeable diamond pattern on the outsole comes from the New Balance 8060 and the Absorb cushioning plus SBS cushioning mixed in with it. It makes for an amazing fit all day, and we have the New Balance stamped insole as well. Again, all around comfort, one of the best pairs to wear all day long in my personal opinion. New Balance hasn't missed whatsoever with any GR colorway, at least to me, with the 9060. So again, I appreciate you all for selecting this pair. Also, stay tuned because beyond this video, I'll actually have a follow-up video where I only style Fear of God essentials with this sea salt pair because I'm pretty sure they were made for each other.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about. What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and I appreciate you guys again so much for simply participating in the voting and the New Balance pack. Listen, it ran away in voting, and it's easy to see why. The sea salt pair is amazing in hand, and I'm just grateful to have it. I'm still waiting on Refined Future to arrive, but shout out to GOAT for getting this out quick, fast, and in a hurry. And it arrived, I mean, extremely fast. Like, GOAT sent me the notification for shipping, and UPS said, hey, by the way, your package is delivered. So didn't expect it to arrive that fast, but that also meant I would just go ahead and fast track this video to get it out ahead of other videos. But I will have a follow-up because when you look at all of the different tones and shades within the sea salt pair, I think it's perfect for Fear of God essentials. So if you own quite a few of the options that are released by Jerry, then you'll see the connection. It all makes sense. So stay tuned for that video. It will also drop this week. And I know a lot of you were just curious, like, hey, how will you choose to style the sea salt pair? No, you can do this a number of different ways. These looks are absolutely just true to myself. One of them is actually gonna resurface. So if you guys recall, I did the Yeezy 500 High video, and one of those looks will be featured in here. I just think the shoe goes really well with that look. I also have the North Face insulated parka in, so you guys will get to see that in this video, but 2 other looks as well. So let's get into them. All right, 3 looks. Let's start left to right. If you guys recall a recent video with a really big New Balance haul from the ESPNW Summit, we have the white Sherpa quarter zip pullover. Love, love, love. It has a hood on it as well. I'm wearing this in the cream colorway, women's large, and then I'm actually wearing the men's Q Speed joggers in black. They have a 3M pop on the side, and across the board, I'm wearing Stance socks. I believe these are still available on their website.
And the second look, it's making a second appearance. Listen, yeah, I repeat outfits, so what? I wore this during the Yeezy 500 High video. I love the top. So it's actually a Henley top by Alpha Forward. It is super, super soft. I mean, it feels like butter on your skin. Wearing this in the taupe colorway, and then the joggers, these are actually black Taylor, one of their original pairs. I believe it's the N1. So just basic black cargo pant, and then the North Face insulated parka, the City Breeze parka to be exact. It's everything I hoped it would be. Hood, warm, but not too heavy. It doesn't overdo it. It allows you to move, and I appreciate that. Finally, on the far right, the best jacket arguably in my collection. It's given other jackets a run for their money in my closet. This is the New Balance jacket I picked up. It's the PMV jacket. It's sold out on their website right now, but if you shop around, you may be able to find it. And then I'm wearing the H&M Silk Blend shirt in the taupe colorway. This is for women. It's in the H&M ladies department. So if it's still available, I would go ahead and try to check that out. Very soft and lightweight. Wearing the minimal everyday nylon pants in the olive colorway. For size reference, I'm wearing a size medium. And then again, the 9060 in the sea salt colorway. And there you have it, 3 looks. I want to be sure to keep this video as short as possible. Now, hopefully you've already seen a breakdown and review of the sea salt colorway. If you haven't, Chris Young actually already had one up. That's where I saw it and I thought, man, this shoe is amazing. Like, I have to add this to the collection at some point. So you guys help me do that with your vote, and I really appreciate it. Again, this pair fits into my style, color palette, everything I love to wear on a consistent basis. So I couldn't ask for a better pair. Just waiting for Refined Future 2002 R Rain Cloud to arrive, and I really think that New Balance deserves just so much applause. I think they really do deserve, you know, just a lot of admiration for what they've done this year. It doesn't take just collaborations to capture our attention. I mean, all of these 9060s back here, none of these are collaborations. Now, they kicked off this model in the year with Joe Freshgoods. I think that was brilliant marketing and amazing strategy, but every colorway that I've seen, they've hit. They haven't missed whatsoever. The Bodega pair, beautiful as well. It's always the textures, the tones, but the quality you get, and then the comfort is up there to wear all day long. So if it is a pair that you're on the fence about, I'm never gonna say, hey, you should buy something just because I love it. But if you're curious, yes, this is something I would love to add to my collection over and over and over again. And it doesn't have to be a collab. I don't need a story with it. I just need you to provide the amazing colorways you do, and I'm happy to give you my money. Still need the indigo pair. Yeah, I still need to get that as well. So comment below your favorite outfit. Please also be sure to take a look at the upcoming video as well, where it's just essentials and the sea salt pair. And with all that said, thank you for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. I will be sure to announce the winner once that second pair arrives. All right, peace.